Okay, gang, so what we're going to be doing today is solving systems of inequality word problems. So when we solve our systems of inequality word problems, we're going to set up just like our linear system word problems, just we're going to have more than one answer. We're going to have a bunch of answers because it's inequalities. Alrighty. And we also have to kind of think about, instead of having the equal sign, we're going to have to look at these key words for your less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to words. So for the first example, Chip can work no more than 24 hours each week at his two jobs. Dog sitting pays $4 an hour and mowing lawns pays $8 an hour, and he needs to earn at least $96. So the fact that he can work no more than 24 hours or 25 hours each week is going to be our one equation, and that's like the light blue. The darker blue is going to be our money equation, where we need to earn at least $96. So already pre-typed in, X is going to be our hours of dog sitting, and Y is going to be our hours of mowing the lawn. Now what we're going to do then, we can create our equations then. We're going to have our hours and then our money. So let's go ahead and insert our equations. So the number of hours of dog sitting plus your hours of mowing the lawn have to be less than or equal to 25. He can work up to 25 hours. He just can't work past 25 hours. The second equation is our money. So he earns $4 per hour for dog sitting. We're going to add that with his $8 per hour of mowing the lawns. And he wants to earn at least $96. So $96 is great, but if we earn more than $96, we're also doing pretty well, and we're good with that. So there are two equations. Now we just want to graph them in Desmos. X plus Y is less than or equal to 25. And if you do the less than or equal to like less than and then equals, it'll pop it up. And then 4x plus 8y has to be bigger than or equal to 96. So we have like a green and a purple, and where the shadings overlap is going to be where our answer choices are. So right in here. Now, right in here. Okay. Now, since we're dealing with hours, we don't necessarily want to have negative hours. So we're going to kind of concentrate just in this little section here for our X and Y values, because we can't work negative hours. It doesn't make sense in the problem. Alrighty. Scooching back over, let's scroll on down. So Desmos is already here, just slightly different colors, but that's fine. So again, we're looking at where the shadings overlap, which is in that little area. Alrighty, so two different possible solutions. We can have the point 10, 10, that's in that little shaded area. So he can work 10 hours of dog sitting and 10 hours of mowing the lawns, and he will have less than 25 hours and at least $96 money if we kind of think about it and go back. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 is less than 25. And then we have 40 plus 80 is 120. So it's definitely more than 96. He can also work 4 hours of dog sitting and then do 20 hours of mowing lawns. So if I go over 4, 1, 2, 3, up, these are going up by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up by 2. So if I go over to 4 and then up to 20, that's also in the shaded area, and it will also work. 4 plus 20 is less than 25. It's 24. And 16 plus 160 would definitely be more than 96. And I just kind of took that 4 and 20 and substituted into that inequality to make sure it worked. And it did work. There are also many other options. So you could do like 12, 8 if you wanted to, or anything that lands in this little area.